Local into Lee County, and Dave Elias is standing by on San Carlos Island. This is at the base of the Matanzas Pass Bridge that leads you onto Fort Myers Beach. Dave, what's the situation there right now?
Well, Kelly, we were there earlier, but we got pushed back because the water was coming up high. We sent back some video. We hope to have that for you shortly. But right now, we are here at the intersection of San Carlos Boulevard and Pine Ridge Road. You can see the deputies are set up here. They've got a checkpoint and they're not allowing people to go any further. And to be quite honest with you, you really couldn't go any further. The water was about 3 feet deep just down the road, and they were warning anybody not to even try to go down there. So again, it's all storm surge coming up, is coming up quick. We had to make a quick exit to get off of that part of San Carlos Boulevard as things continue to worsen here. And the sheriff's deputies just told me a few moments ago they expect themselves to be called up and to get to safety. They don't expect to be out here a whole lot longer as things continue to deteriorate. For now, I'm live along San Carlos Boulevard. Dave Elias, now back to you in the studio.